Hi Git. So today we had the cyber security and governance session in our SecureC series, which was the inaugural session. So overall, what do you think? So we have came to the end of the session. So what do you think? How did you feel about this session?
Actually, Usman, this is good. Good mean because the people is always using the security areas and the software solutions as well, but they are not concerned about the security and the other aspects. So in this session, I think there are most important areas covered from your sessions. So I think this is better.
Okay, that's really good to know. So going on to my next question. So what do you think is different from our previous years of sessions that we have done? So we have done several sessions from 2019. So compared to that, what do you think is unique in this session?
I think, Usman, the one-to-one session is better because the people who has some kind of information or whatever problem in myself, then I can directly ask the mentor or someone else. So then they will come up with the total dedicated solution for us.
Exactly.
So I think that's better.
Alright. Yes, that's what I expected, and I'm happy that you were able to reach that objective as well. So we did show a quantitative results of LEAP, as well as you from your own eyes have been seeing how we have been leaping forward. So what do you think about that, and how do you find this program, the whole program?
Actually, this program, basically I got one of my friend. So he's also in the same domain environment. So people who are working with the same environment, most of the time they are not concerned about to giving the opportunities or whatever, supporting or whatever this thing. So I think, yes, as a competition, I think so. So myself, I think the community is a better way. So in this session, I got that area as well. So I think from that, so myself, I think that's better to go the environment, domain environment for the future purpose.
I think to brief it, you believe that having a community will help them enrich all together and succeed in all your goals as well. Alright, thank you. All the best.